on, boy. Just a little bit more.
Believe it or not, guys, I created this entire video using AI and just a little bit of editing in CapCut. That's it. Now think about it. A few years ago, creating something like this would have cost a lot of money. Not only that, but it would have required a huge amount of time, effort, and technical skills to pull everything together. But today, with advanced AI tools, bringing your ideas to life has become easier than ever. If you can imagine it, there's a good chance you can create it, and that's exactly what I did. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the entire process step by step so you can create something like this yourself. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into it. All right, step 1, creating the images. For this project, I used Visina AI to create all the images and videos. To get started, click on the link in the description and sign up. Once you're in, click on Open Studio and it will take you to the main workspace. As you can see, I even used it to create the thumbnail for this video. Now, the first thing I did was create the main character. To do that, go to Characters Lab. Here, you can describe your character and choose from a variety of settings to customize the appearance. There are plenty of options available, depending on the style you're going for. This is the character I created, and this is the exact prompt I used. Now here's a very important step. Once your character is ready, make sure you save it. This allows you to reuse the same character throughout all your scenes, which helps maintain character consistency across the entire video. Now let's create the images for the scenes. For that, I used the Director's Cut tab. This is one of my favorite features because instead of generating a single image, it creates an entire scene sequence for you. First, choose your model. Initially, I tried OpenAI, but the results looked a bit too artificial and overly processed for the style I wanted. So I switched to Gemini, and the results were much better. Next, select Sequence and choose your grid size. Then add the character image we created earlier and give it a simple prompt. As you can see, my prompt is very straightforward, nothing complicated. Once that's done, hit Generate. And this is the result. See how easy that was? With just a character image and a simple prompt, it created an entire story sequence for me. Now all that's left is to extract the shots you want to use, and that's very easy as well. Just click on the sequence image, select Extract Shots, and then choose the specific shots you want. If you prefer, you can extract all of them at once, then click Extract, and you're done. Now, for the next sequence, I followed pretty much the same process. Again, I added the character image, but this time I also included the first sequence as a reference. This gave the AI more context about what had already happened in the story and helped maintain continuity. Then I gave it a simple prompt describing the next scene and hit Generate, and this is the sequence it created. As you can see, the style is consistent, the character looks the same, and the scene flows naturally from the previous sequence. Exactly what I was looking for. Now, I should mention something important. I did not get every scene perfect on the first try. I had to regenerate a few times and experiment with different prompts to get the results I wanted, so don't expect everything to be perfect immediately. That's just part of the creative process. Keep experimenting with your prompts, make small adjustments, and eventually you'll end up with results that you're genuinely happy with. All right, step number 2, turning the images into videos. For this, I used the first and last frame method in Seedance 2, which I believe is one of the best ways to maintain both character and scene consistency throughout a video. So let's switch to the Videos tab and make sure Seedance 2 and Frames to Video are selected. Then upload your start frame and end frame images. As you can see, I've already uploaded mine here. Now let's talk about the most important part, the prompt. As you can see, my prompt is extremely detailed, and this is exactly what I do for every video I create, which is why I consistently get better results. To create these prompts, I use Prompt Lab. Simply open Prompt Lab and add your images. And as you can see, I didn't just upload the start and end frames, I also added the character references, scene images, and any additional shots I wanted the AI to consider for that scene. Next, select Detailed, choose your video duration, and set the number of cuts if you want multiple shots. Then simply describe the scene like a director. That's it. As you can see, my description is actually very simple. I just explain what I want to happen and mention a few important shots. Then click Generate. The AI will analyze all your references and create a highly detailed prompt like this. Now just copy the prompt, go back to the Videos tab, paste it, choose your settings, and hit Generate. That's it, and it will create a video like this. Honestly, this is one of the best workflows I've found because detailed prompts save you a lot of regenerations, which means you save both time and credits. As you can see, I didn't have to regenerate dozens of times to get good results. Most of my scenes were usable within just a few attempts. Here's another example. Again, detailed prompt, start frame, end frame, and this is the video it created. Amazing. And here's another scene. Same workflow, same process. You can see the settings, the prompt, and the final result. Again, a great output, so I highly recommend using detailed prompts, and if you guys want all the prompts I used for this video, just let me know in the comments and I'll share the complete document with you. Once all the videos were ready, I went to Suno to create the background music. This is the prompt I used, and after generating a few tracks, I downloaded the one I liked the most. Finally, I imported everything into CapCut, added the background music, made a few cuts, adjusted the timing, and that was it. The video was ready. See how simple that was? All you really need is a laptop, a decent internet connection, and access to AI tools. That's it. So what are you waiting for? Give this workflow a try and start creating amazing content. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep grinding.